want a moisturizer that will moisturize your face very well, that will smoothen your face, that will hydrate your face, that will prevent dryness on your face, this moisturizer is the best. This is the number one moisturizer you need to afford, you need to get that glowing skin that you want to achieve. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel again. In today's video, I'll be sharing the top best moisturizer for oily skin and for sensitive skin. So if you're having an oily face, oily skin, this video is for you. And if you're also having a sensitive skin, this video is for you. All you need to do is to see this video to the end. Yes, do not miss any minutes in this video because I'll be sharing all the info, all the skincare tips you need to know in this video. If you're having an oily face or a sensitive skin, the first moisturizer you need to know, you need to get for your skin is Neutrogena Hydro Boost Water Gel. This moisturizer is very nice. It is 1 in a million. Yes. So if you want a moisturizer that will moisturize your face, help you to reduce oil on your face, this is the number one moisturizer you need. It is lightweight, it hydrates your skin, and it prevents dryness. It contains hyaluronic acid. You know, hyaluronic acid helps to moisturize your face, helps to lock in moisture. Yeah, moisturizer helps for aged skin as well. Yeah, so if you want your face to get smooth, the best thing you need to know is to get a good moisturizer. If you want to achieve that smooth face, maybe you're battling with wrinkles and other things, you need a moisturizer. Moisturizer helps to reduce the appearance of wrinkles on your face, helps to moisturize, helps to smoothen your face, helps to prevent dryness. So the best moisturizer you need is Neutrogena Hydro Boost Moisturizer. It's lightweight, it hydrates, it moisturizes, it smoothens, and it prevents dryness. So guys, this moisturizer here is a USA product which helps to moisturize your face, make your face to be smooth, prevent dryness on your face, helps to hydrate your face. And if you are battling with dryness, you have tried a lot of moisturizer and you haven't gotten what you want. It's not a moisturizer, but this particular moisturizer, yes, this moisturizer here helps to moisturize your face, it helps to glow your face, it helps to lock in moisture, it prevents dryness on your face, it helps for aged skin. Yes, so if you're having a wrinkle, you're having wrinkles on your face, you need this as well. Yes, it moisturizes very well. Yes, it helps to smoothen your face. If you're having a rough face, it helps to smoothen your face. Yes, if you use this moisturizer, bet me, you will not regret buying it. This moisturizer is the best, one of the top best moisturizer you can get in the market that will help to moisturize your face, glow your face, smoothen your face, help to prevent dryness on your face. Yeah, so if you can afford this moisturizer, you come back to this channel and thank me later. Another best moisturizer I'm going to recommend for you guys in this video is COSRX moisturizer. This moisturizer works very well for those of us having an acne prone skin. This product here helps for acne prone skin, oily skin, mainly for those of us having acne prone skin, having acne. Yeah, so if you're having acne, you don't know what to use, maybe you've tried a lot of products, though it doesn't contain any content, it doesn't contain any ingredient that clears acne or pimples. It only helps to moisturize your face. Then whenever you go in with your pimple, your acne pro product, it's soothing. Yes, so the benefit of using this product here is that it helps for anti-aging. Yes, it calms the face. For some of us having acne prone skin, this moisturizer helps to calm your face. Yes, so if you don't know what to use, you have tried a lot of products, this particular moisturizer here helps. If you are battling with acne and you don't know the best moisturizer to get for your face while treating your pimples or your acne, while applying other skincare products, you get this one. This one is very active. Some of us having redness as well, I recommend this one. This one helps to clear redness. It helps to calm your face. Yes, the main active content of this product is it contains this sap. Yes, which helps to moisturize, glow, make your face to feel calm. Yes, so if you are battling with redness, acne prone skin, oily skin, I recommend this. Yes, this product is very nice and affordable in the market. It helps to moisturize your face, helps to give you that glowing face. For some of us having acne on our face, this moisturizer is the best. Yes, so if you have been battling with acne and you have tried a lot of moisturizer you haven't seen yet, I recommend this. The only thing you need to do is to go into the market. I also sell it. You can patronize me. This moisturizer here helps to moisturize your face. Then the third moisturizer I'm going to recommend here is Simple product. We all know this product, Simple. This is one of the best moisturizer and it is affordable in the market. Yes, it helps to moisturize your face, helps to smoothen your face. If you don't know what to use, it is lightweight, it is budget friendly. This Simple moisturizer is very nice. It is a product made in UK. Yes, this product here helps to moisturize your skin. It is lightweight, it is best for oily skin, yes, and sensitive skin. So if you don't know what to use, maybe you don't have enough finance to get other ones that I've listed before, you go for this one. This one is budget friendly, yes, and it's affordable. It will give you the same result other ones that I recommended will give you. So guys, that's all for today's video. If you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, please do well to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Turn on the notification button for you to get notified whenever I upload a new video. And for my returning subscribers, thank you. You guys are the best. See you guys in my next video. Bye.